Okay, hello there viewers. So let's have a look on this particular type of questions where I call it one-side modulus inequalities. You can see modulus is one side and inequalities is over there. Alright, for this subtopic, I highly recommend that you use this technique which I call split, solve and combine. Okay, where firstly you want to split the equation and you want to solve each part of it and then you combine your answers. When you're combining, you need to use intersect. You need to use the number line technique, which is either intersect or union. Alright, other than that, you need to know for one-side modulus, for the inequalities, you need to memorize this part where more is or less is n. Well, the trick is how are you going to memorize it? It's not that difficult, just simply MOLA. So memorize it that way. Okay, a little bit of side stories. My student once memorized it this way. They said, hey sir, MOLA is a MOLA we have learned in chemistry, which is called MOLA. Alright, so it's not hard for us to memorize. But since you are my teacher, sir, so we memorize it this way, MOLA Rodhi. I don't particularly like it, but they instantly memorize it that way. Okay, so viewers, my name is Rodhi Rejab and this is my channel, so memorize it this way. MOLA is MOLA Rodhi. Okay, so let's see the technique in action. Okay, so firstly you see this negative 3 is odd, why it need to be over there. So you translate it to the right side and you should get yourself something like this: s plus 7 modulus modulus s plus 7 more than 7. Alright, after you reach here, then remember what I said just now, you use the split, solve, combine technique. So you want to split it first. You split it, you got until here. Okay, for the splitting part, look very carefully on how I split it. Firstly, I copy this part, I copy it, and this one I copy this part, but the other side I negative it. Alright, you can see these two I negative it. It's easy way of writing things down and memorizing as well. And then from here, after you do that, you solve it up until here. You solve, and then you try to combine them. Alright, before we combine it, let me ask you again. This is more, so more is what? More is or. So over here is or. You need to write the or over there. And then once you try to combine it, you draw the number line technique. And how we should combine our answers? Well, or is union. So in this particular case, we union it out, so our answers lies in this way. Alright, that's the easy example, so let's move on. Okay, so let's try this example now. You can see that our modulus is over here and we got this strange plus x over here. We do not want it, so we move it to the other side. We transfer it and then we should get ourselves something like this. Okay, I'm not comfortable to have my modulus on the right side. I prefer it to be on the left. So what I did is I just mirror everything. Oh sorry, I touched the mirror. I just simply mirror things up. So I got this way. Okay, now things are more comfortable for us. So what we need to do right now is that we need to solve it. We need to split it. So we split it as how we did just now. Okay, we copy and negative over there. And then remember that less is n. So write down your n over there. Okay, then you try and solve it up. Timash. And now you want to combine. Okay, when you're trying to combine, you draw the number line. So remember this, n is intersect. So you check where does it intersect. Intersect over there. So you got your answers 0 until 3. Okay, that's not that difficult anymore. Remember, split, solve, combine, and MOLA Rodhi. Okay, moving on to the final examples. Okay, it's still one side modulus, and you can see over here it's a bit special because it's a quadratic. Okay, we still do the same way. We split, and I'm going to speed up a bit. Less is n, we got over there, and then we solve until here. We solve, and we got ourselves this value as well. Okay, now how do we want to combine? Sometimes I got students who stop until there. Don't forget, you need to combine. You combine, you use the intersect union number line. So you draw this one. I would like to highlight a little bit over here that this one here, it remains as this one level, and this one over here, it gives us the second level. What I don't want you to do is to do 3 levels. I got students who give me 3 levels and they got the answer totally wrong. Then why this one only give me 1 level? I mean, level 2 doesn't have 2 and 3 because it's in one. It's union things out. You cannot split it. Okay, so now we're trying to combine. Remember, n is intersect. So we check out where does it intersect. It intersect over there, and that's your final answers. Okay, I think that will be very helpful in giving you less careless mistake or less confusing. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, like and subscribe the video channel as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. All the best for your exams.